Are you drawn to the allure of advancing technologies? Delve into the future with Arapahoe Community College's technology pathway and be at the forefront of digital and mechanical innovations. In today's interconnected world, technology drives everything from our daily routines to global industries, making this career path invaluable and ever-evolving. At ACC, we understand the importance of hands-on experience combined with theoretical knowledge. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and led by experienced professionals, our programs help you get industry ready. Moreover, our competitive tuition rates ensure that you get unparalleled value for your investment in education. Elevate, innovate, and start your tech journey at ACC. Whether your passion is deciphering code, battling virtual threats, designing imaginative games, or automation, ACC's technology pathway has you covered. Leap into the digital age, harness the power of technology, and code and construct your way to moving mountains. To learn more, visit arapahoe.edu/pathways.